got fire warnings right now, dangers, evacuations in Siskyou County, and this is the helicopters right outside my door at the heliport in Happy Camp, and it looks like I see smoke off in the distance there through the trees, but I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, there's some high-risk warnings. I'm gonna go look on the internet right now. I've been just out watering. The wind is starting to kick up, and yeah, it's getting real noisy here with the helicopters. I'm not sure what's going on. We haven't had any sirens going off yet, but just heard locally that there are some fires close or around near Happy Camp. I'm not sure which direction or where. I'm gonna go look on the internet now, and I'll try to put some links in the video description. Okay, stay tuned. Please.